How to assemble your Vinyl4 Business Vinyl Cutter from AM.CO.za. In the box you will find all of the components as listed here. Unpack them and make sure they are all there. In the small box you will find all the screws as well as the accessories as listed here. Right, now start with the stand legs and the stand feet. Turn the leg upside down for now and screw the feet onto it with 2 screws. Use the Allen key to fasten the screws tight. Then do the same with the other stand leg and feet. Now take the crossbars and screw them onto the stand legs on either side, first at the bottom back and the front top. Hand tighten it first and then secure tight with the Allen key. Next, take the cross sections and secure them to the outside of the stands, as you see here. Now the rollers simply slot into the cross sections. As does the basket. Slip the one side of the basket under the crossbars as you see here and slot into the cross sections. And the stand is now complete. Now place the vinyl cutter onto the stand, making sure that the rubber feet slip into the holes at the top of the stand, as you see here. Lastly, use 2 screws on either side to secure the vinyl cutter to the stand from underneath. Only remove the protective wrapping around the head once you are ready to use the machine. And you are done. Enjoy your Vinyl4 Business Vinyl Cutter.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC rotors, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montenegro Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.